Hi everyone, welcome to day 68. So far, yesterday, we have transited from design to development phase, and now we are on the front end phase and we were developing the time module for comment page. And after seeing that, what we found out that we were stuck in a position where we don't able to find the condition how to do that. So first, let's go to Jira and we can see we are on the front end development. So in the front end development, we are in the part of the comment modification. After that, we will go towards the, uh, we have not added that. We have to, let me add that too. So sign up modification. So we will move towards that part. So now let's go to code where we were stuck. Now, if you remember, we are at this part and we have made that function date design. So now I have just used that function itself and moved everything into the function. Function is nothing, just date dot now. I have just put that new date and we have the original date which was already been given, like that is coming from the database. We have got in the this part, and now after that what we did, we just different subtracted that with a division of 1000 because that is a part of a millisecond difference, and then we divided in a different function, like if it's less than 60. So what we do, we will say it is some seconds ago. If it's less than, again, next 60, then it is some minutes ago. Then again it will, if it's less than 60, it will an hour ago, some hour ago. If it's less than 24, now it's, if it's divided by 24, and we will say some days ago. We can even add month and so on. All right, so we have added till days only. We will add months at later stage if required. So we have added this. Now there are also some other methods, like you can go even find the some libraries which directly give you these things, or there's some add-on modules for this framework which will give those things, so you can use that as well. So let's run this code first and see what happens after this. Cd backend source vnv slash pin slash activate. First let's run the front end. And here we will run python app.py. Now we have this already running. So I have just refreshed this. Again, we can see the token is there, but it might have expired. After that, let's see the changes, modifications that recommend, and modification in the sign up page. Then we have modification in the profile page. So all of these three will be, we will do one by one. We can see there is no data. Let's re-log in. So now we can see the dates here, and we want some different color, some color of, let's pick that color from here. And how to apply that? We will apply by this. We can see that. And moreover, we want this to have equally spaced. So we will find out evenly spread tailwind. Justify evenly. That too will be in the this part. Max width now 8. All sort of those things are there. I hope that is good. So now we want modification in the sign up page. We want name as well. So we have added the cleared the comment till now. So let's mark it as comment modification. So there are multiple things you can do. Right now I have just made a basic of those things. So aesthetics is another part. We will come to that and the later stage. First, let's design all of those things first. Now in the sign up, what the new things that need to be added? For that, let's go to design. So just name is added. So for name, again, what we will do, we will say const name is equals to ref name equals to name dot value. The form, we will add name first. So name is also added, which contains first name, last name, and whatever it has. Now the form requires some sort of less scaling. Go 350, even more. So I guess this is good. So we have started with the sign up modification, and now that is also been completed. So we require API changes for this when we are generating the new user. So we have to add name in the database. So let's make that task in the backend. Similarly, we will add those things in the likewise. So user API modification. So I want a description, what modification it needed. We need to add a column name which will contain name of the user. Also, if you remember, we are going to add an admin page. So also add a role column which grants role of type as user or admin. So that's another thing. We can see what the other things are there, nothing required. So we have added this, we have completed this. Now we will complete the modification part of the profile. Again, let's go to profile page. Now this time we are going to change the APIs as well. So first let's add some new things. Const new password. ref and now const confirm new password. This is just for confirmation, so it won't be going to that. And first let's make the form clear and then we will come to the JavaScript part. So what we want to move this from here to here. We'll add the name column itself. Now this also contains a button. Button which has a click function. Change password. We can have a class something like this. Let's see after logging in. So I know what happened because there's nothing called login. So now I have to change in the sign up as well. One thing that is not been changed yet. This link need to be changed to here. Now let's make this use here. And what the changes you can see here. if is equals to editable, only visible when there is a editable. So now there's the two block which is again be similar, but this is for confirm password. This button is not required here. Now this itself is visible when that change password is clicked. So we will make that function also. Right now it will be visible. What but what we want these two to be visible only when that is clicked. So we will make that edit later on, and then we have a name column as well. So now we will make, is there any name column? So there is no name column, so let's mark that as well. and in the name column I can see that value. So far so good. And in password we should not show the password. Like in we will not set this password here. Now we can validate this. So I guess we have done a good amount of work today. Tomorrow we will be working on this part as well. Profile update, we will completing those things, and then we will move towards upload image modification. That image will be visible. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the session, learned, and then if you want something more, any doubt, anything, drop your comments below. Thank you.